Welcome back, my Bass and Furious friends. What is up? Welcome you guys here to another episode of Bass and Furious. So today's video, guys, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about, guys and ladies, I wanted to talk to you about some of what I'm going to be throwing here this upcoming season. So you guys may be familiar if you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you do that. Instagram at Bass and Furious, or Twitter _ at Bass and Furious. If you follow me there, you see that I post quite a bit of my other the products that I typically use. So my jig of choice that I've been using last season and this season that's been doing fantastic for me, guys, and I wanted to kind of share it with you guys in the video today, is my Omega Custom Tackle jig. I typically use several different ones of that. I'm going to get into that for you guys here as well, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of clips of the actual jigs itself and get a little bit closer so you guys can see what's going on with my jigs here. But okay, alright guys, so I'm also going to show you a couple other clips of what I'm doing, maybe a little bit closer up so you guys can see what's going on. But so Omega Custom Tackle, locally owned, veteran owned company, made by some really good guys, Brad and Michelle Fuller. They also have recently ventured out into working with a new organization. They're also co-owners, I believe, of the NPFL, National Professional Fishing League. That's coming out. It's a new league that's going to be coming out in 2021 for some anglers to kind of get in there and be competitive as well. So keep an eye out for that as well. But I wanted to talk to you guys today about Omega Custom Tackle. So typically what I use with Omega Custom Tackle, my main go-to stay for jigs is their pitching jig. Here you go. This is it right here. This is the pitching jig. Just want to show you guys that. This is the pitching jig from Omega. So as you guys can see the head there, of course you recognize it by the red eyes. By far my favorite jig. It's kind of a finesse jig. It is their Righteous Finesse pitching jig. So it's a little bit smaller, 3/8 ounce. Flip it. I can skip it. I can do whatever I want with it. But this thing lands big fish. And if you guys can see the hook there, hopefully, hook good size. What I typically do with mine, I always trim the skirt, trim the skirt, trim the skirt. I trim the weed guard just a little bit. I found it worked for me. I wasn't catching a lot of fish on jigs. I had not a lot of confidence in jigs, so I had to change up some things to get to where I felt like they were comfortable and I was good with them. So by clipping up the skirt, I usually pair it with a Gambler. Why not? I may mix that up a little bit here this season. I got another bait that I just picked up that I'm really excited to try too. But of course the Gambler Why Not is going to be on here. I usually cut the Gambler Why Not a little bit, make sure it fits, get a nice compact profile, and it guys, this is a killer. And in particular, this color. This is the black, blue, and chartreuse color. This right here works. I mean, you're talking dirty, stain, whatever. I mean, any conditions, I can throw this right here and I get bit. So I love that. The other one that I use from them primarily is a 1/2 ounce jig as well. So this one here, this is their 1/2 ounce. If you guys notice, the head shape is a little bit different. I'll show you both of them. Kind of put them side by side. So two obviously way different head shapes. This one's a little bit heavier. So if I'm trying to get down to the bottom a little quicker, I go with that. I typically go with this pretty much every day. I may switch to that. And it honestly has worked for me, guys. I've pitched this one, not gotten bit. After I've caught like 4 or 5 fish, I switch to the heavier one, get that boom right on the bottom, and then I get bit. These, go back and check my Potomac River videos. You'll see I'm throwing jigs in those, and there'll be some really good clips of me catching fish on each one of these jigs. So that has been what I've used a lot for them for Omega Custom Tackle. Is that this season I'm going to try to branch out a little bit and start to work with their swim jig a little bit. I'm not really a big swim jig fishing catching guy. I love swim jigs, don't get me wrong, but I haven't really dialed in on the best place and time and where to use these. So I started catching fish on them last year. They worked really well, but I didn't have that many of them because, like I said, it's not something I normally use. So guys, so with the swim jig, that's something that I wanted to try to branch into using a little bit more with the Omega Custom Tackle swim jig. They've got several really good. I love that white color, especially when I'm fishing the Potomac or other places. Last but not least, I wanted to show you guys this. This is one of their, I have several colors of this, but this is their Chatterbait, guys. This is one of the big things that they're known for. So this is the Rapture vibrating jig Chatterbait. Now check out the colors on that bad boy right there. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys, right there. You can't tell me that is not about to be money with that orange and the white. I love this one right here, guys. I haven't used it yet. I've used some of the Rapture ones, but not that much because I'm not really a big Chatterbait person. So if you guys remember my video before this one, I'm starting to develop some confidence in Chatterbaits, and just getting some more things to add to the arsenal I think is going to be great. So this is their vibrating, their Chatterbait. Of course, they got other patterns in it too, like this one. as well, different color heads. So you guys can see these things are made really well, high quality components. These are going to be money, so I want to show you guys that. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about just, you know, overall Omega. So prices are really good, customer service is really good. They have a group of anglers. I am on their actual ambassador staff, so I do work with promoting the product everywhere I can, every chance I get. I have Omega on my truck, I have Omega on my boat. I obviously got a whole box full of, as you guys can see, got my whole jig box here full of Omega. So basically, that's something I really believe in a product, and the owners of the company and what they stand for and what they're trying to do. American-made products is all right here, guys. Be sure to check them out. I'll leave the link to them below. Omega Custom Tackle is the name of the company, and I just want to do a quick video today, kind of talking to you guys and kind of going through my Omega gear. If you guys remember from before as well, I'm trying to just work all these videos together. My Plano Edge box. So you guys remember me doing an unboxing on the Plano Edge? This is how I use the Plano Edge box. I'll show you guys up close. So you can see Plano Edge. This is my whole box, my jigs, everything in there. Hopefully you guys can see that. But I really wanted to kind of get a video out for you guys, just talking a little bit about a product that I fully believe in. I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can check it out. I'll do like a quick little montage here. Actually, I'll do it right now. Quick little montage of me catching fish on the Omega Custom Tackle jig, so you guys can see I don't just feed you BS. I hope you don't buy it because it's shiny. Like, buy it because you see somebody catching fish on it consistently. And trust me guys, I'm not the only one. If you start to talk about Omega, you start to mention it at different events, check out your different top 10s and top 10s here, FLW, Bass, check it out. You'll see Omega's in a lot of people's tackle boxes. A lot of people throw it, a lot of people know about it. It's not brand new, but they are coming out with some new stuff. They pride themselves on innovation. They've recently come out with weights. They have covers with Omega Custom Tackle, which are really solid covers. I just grabbed a couple of those myself. So they have really solid covers. They have the weights, they have the jigs, they have the football jigs, they have skirts, they have rattles, they have chatterbaits, they have spinner baits, the Genesis TI, they have things like that. They have some really great stuff. They can cover your full spectrum of what you're looking for when it comes to fishing products. So Omega Custom Tackle is where it's at. You guys definitely need to check it out. Make sure that you guys pick some up. Just chuck it around a little bit. See what you think. And then make sure that you tell them that Bass and Furious or Ty Adams, tell them that I sent you there, guys. Just let them know that I'm trying to get the word out because I believe in it. And I think everybody else should at least check it out. I know people like what they like. They do what they do. But if I have a product I believe in, I feel like it's something that I want to share. I want to let people know. So, Bass and Furious friends, you guys rock. I appreciate you guys tuning in for another video. I know this one was talking a little bit more about the products, but jig is something, chatterbaits or something, spinner baits or something. These are things everybody uses for bass fishing, guys. So if I can point you in the direction of a company that has exactly what you need, I'm telling you this, I'm going to do that. I'm going to share with you guys because part of my channel is just trying to grow, help anglers, help people learn about new products you may or may not know about, you may already know about, but didn't quite know how to use it. Hopefully those clips I showed you help you guys understand that a little bit. And you guys continue to rock with me. Again, 2020, we rolling, guys, feeling better. Excited for the season to get kicked off. Let's get it. Bass and Furious friends, you guys are awesome. As always, peace, peace. I'm out.